Hi, if you're looking to migrate your WordPress host from another host to Namecheap, things are fairly straightforward. But before we do anything of this sort, it is assumed that you already have a hosting account with Namecheap, also called as EasyWP, which is a part of their managed WordPress hosting product suite. If you have EasyWP, it's fairly easy to set up an instance of WordPress. If you haven't done that before, you just have to click on new website, which is what you will see the first time you log in after you purchase your hosting account. Click on new website and Namecheap will automatically install WordPress for you with this particular domain on their free domain, something similar to what you see in green here. After this is set up and after you've moved all your files from your existing host to Namecheap using FileZilla or some other FTP client, if you've done that before, then you're all set to go. Please remember that your existing hosting account needs to be active while you're doing this. This video is only about pointing your domains to your existing already set up WordPress instance, which in this case is this one. So this is not about migrating the entire website. This is just about pointing domains. So it's assumed that you've already purchased a hosting account. You have already set up your files. You've transferred your files from your existing host to this new instance of WordPress. And it's also assumed that you have your existing hosting running. In my case, I have my existing hosting with a company called Flywheel. The hosting is still here, is still active. You can come back to EasyWP and arrange for your DNS settings to be pointing to this new hosting account. My domain DNS is with Cloudflare. All I have to do is add a few records here to start pointing my domain to my new hosting account. Now to do that, there are a few things you must keep in mind. Now with Namecheap or EasyWP managed WordPress hosting with Namecheap, it's important to note that you need what is called as an alias record. ALIAS. You may not find it explicitly written as alias, but Cloudflare in this case, it already supports alias records. So add a CNAME and alias is already supported. But in case it's not supported, I'll show you what's to be done in this video. Getting back to our EasyWP product, make sure that you take note of what the existing domain is. This is for managed WordPress hosting. Add 2 CNAME records to my Cloudflare DNS. Here's a look on what you need to do depending on how you're going about this. If your DNS management is with Cloudflare, you will do what is in the red box here. Add 2 CNAME records, one @ and the other www. If you are not on Cloudflare and if you are using some other domain name service such as GoDaddy or anything else for that matter, you can also add A records, but you need to add 4 A records to make this work. So please check with your domain name service provider if they support alias hosting. If they don't, or if you don't want to ask, or if you just want to go ahead with the domain name setting, you can also add 4 A records as shown in the table here. Having said that, let's switch back to EasyWP. You're ready to point your domains. Click on change. Here you will have options. Right now I am on the domain that is from EasyWP, but because my domain is on another service provider, I'm going to click on domain on other service provider. Type my actual domain, the top level domain that I own, and then you need to copy this particular domain, which is what is created for you by Namecheap. So copy that, you will need it, and then get to your DNS settings wherever those DNS settings are. In this case, it's Cloudflare. Once you're in your DNS settings, get to DNS. This is the page you will see, especially with Cloudflare. It's intuitive enough. You will find your DNS settings depending on the DNS provider you use. Click on DNS. Get to the DNS part where you can add records here. Click on add record. Choose CNAME. The first record you will create is @ and the target is what you just copied now from Namecheap. Be sure to toggle the proxy status off because it leads to conflict sometimes. For this particular use case, you don't need the proxy status on. Then click on save. We've already done this, so I'm not doing it now. I'm going to cancel out of this. But I want to show you how to add the other record. Click on add record, choose CNAME, type in www, copy paste that particular domain that EasyWP provides for you, toggle off proxy status. TTL should be set to auto and click on save. Once you do this, DNS will take about 24 to 72 hours to propagate. All the while it is propagating, your existing site also functions normally. So people are either routed to the existing server or they're routed to this new server depending on how your DNS propagation happens. This is about pointing your domain name to Namecheap hosting through your DNS management on Cloudflare, which is what I've shown, but you can also do something similar with any domain name registrar that you might be using. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you like the video, like it and share it. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications as I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.